Did you?
Huh? You can see me now?
Did you learn from it?
Yeah, that losing bites.
Oh,
Look, I don't think there's any big takeaway from our big fail back then.
guess you're still mad at me, huh?
Dude, no, I'm mad at... You know what? Maybe I gotta forgive you. Slash me.
You do?
Yeah, we're not losers. Beating ourselves up is just doing a favor for Malware and everyone else we ever go up against. So from now on, let's save the beatdowns for the bad guys. Deal?
Ben?
Hey everybody! Did you miss me?